pick them off. Throw them in there like that.
Grab them in my hand. Well, that is a lot, Mama. I got quite a lot.
Got quite a lot.
And I caught a big one.
Yeah, some big ones in there. This is just a small. This is just what we're going to have for today.
Yeah. They're thick. Oh, they're thick and they smell like dirt. Papa, do look at it. Bro, this one is little.
No, you don't have to get the real little ones like that.
My hand just ripped off the wheel. Papa, this got so much.
So much?
Yeah. How much did you plant?
Well, quite a bit.
Papa, after it gets filled up, I just want to wash it. Papa, I see it's not little bitty tiny ones.
Yeah, I'm not worried about them little tiny ones.
Yeah, I want to look at the tiny ones.
Okay.
But not the big ones.
Not them big ones.
Papa, the big one's good to eat, but the little one's not. They did eat it. Papa, when you eat little, it's still what is. That's so much. Papa, how do we use this gas?
Hmm?
How do we use this gas?
I don't know.
Papa, last time when I went to somebody's birthday party, there was a dog, and there got a peanut dog. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, it was a peanut toy for the dog.
Oh.
Because they're bringing their dog there just